Like, you know what I mean? Show Enough. Do you know who Show Enough is? If you don't know who Show Enough is, you're too young to be watching my channel. You know Show Enough.
Yeah, gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tuned with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was caught by me with my own coin. Shout out to me. So the unit I am reviewing is by Sensationnel. It is from their What Lace collection. It is in the style Tessa, and I do have it in the color number 2. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it is a 13x6 frontal unit. So if you are interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away.
Okay, y'all, so I've obviously finished styling this a wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this is yet another unit your girl caught with my own coins. Shout out to me for copping a unit with my coins. Like, go Chrissy, go Chrissy. I feel like y'all are getting the tea, honey. I'm bringing it when it comes to purchasing my own Synthetica units, honey, okay? Yes. All right, y'all. So the unit that I am wearing is by Sensationnel, honey. And if you know your girl, you know how I feel about Sensational.
Sensational.
Okay, so this unit is from the Cloud 9 Swiss Lace, What Lace series. This unit is in the style Tessa, and I do have it in the color number 2, and it says HD lace, keep them guessing, and it has on the front like what lace, hairline illusion lace wig. It says so natural it can't be a wig, keep them guessing when you wear what lace, hairline illusion lace wig. It is heat safe, up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and it says 13x6 ear to ear with 6-inch deep hand tight, pre-plucked natural density, undetectable flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hair along the hairline, pre-customized unit, protective style, no leave out necessary. And then on the back it gives you the special colors, and it tells you the difference between regular lace and undetectable what lace. So this is what it looks like on the stock card, and oh girl is just serving all of the looks, honey. Okay, she is serving. So yeah. And then on the inside it is showing you customized lace and all that, the hairline, and how it's undetectable and well crafted. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a little booklet, and then it has the features over here, and then on the back it has the special colors, and it looks like it's only 4 special colors, which is T1B/4, T2/27, T2/30, and T2 burgundy. And then it's showing you the detectable and the undetectable right here on the back. See it? So with this unit does come with, I'm finna lie to y'all because I honestly don't know, but I think it's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable strap. Child, I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I think I'm right. I don't know. I think I'm right. If I'm not right, child, I just feel like y'all see white all around the perimeter, honey. if it looks like my wig has dandruff, and I think that is just my edge control. So don't judge me. But anyways, it does come with that, and I was a little bit, not a little bitty. I was a little bit surprised because I thought it was gonna actually have that little glueless band, that elastic band that usually comes with certain wigs, but it did not have it. But in my opinion, you still could probably wear this wig glueless, because prior to me applying it and laying it down, it still looked pretty good. Like, I always struggle like on the sides right here when I'm trying to wear some glueless, but right across here it looked really good. And I feel like with this hairstyle, you wouldn't really have to worry about the sides for real. So I do feel like you could wear this wig glueless. Now, that being said, I do feel like it is a little not big head friendly. Now, I don't want to say that, but I want to say that. Like, I do wear an average cap size, and I felt like it fit me pretty snugly, like not tight, but pretty snugly, despite the fact that I am a medium cap size. So I'm thinking if your head is larger, like that little dandruff is getting on my nerves. I feel like if your head is larger, that you may, it may be a bit more of a struggle. But that's just me speculating, honey. If you know a YouTuber that has that wears a larger cap size, then maybe check her out and see what she says. But I do know that it's small to medium head friendly for sure. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, as far as do it tangle, does it shed? I don't know, because I ain't running my fingers through this hair. Like, a little bit got, where is it? On this side, yeah. On this side, when I was cutting around my ear, because I have huge ears, y'all, whatever. So when I was cutting around there, the comb or whatever, some got stuck, and it kind of frizzed it out. And I was like, I know if that frizzes it out, I am definitely not finna be running my fingers through it. I did not do nothing. Okay, nothing. I didn't run my fingers through it. I ain't run no comb through it. I ain't run no brush through it. Like, maybe I should have. Maybe you feel like she needs to be fluffed a little bit, because I ain't no telling what whole girl looking like in the back. But I ain't want to do all that, because I ain't want to mess it up, because I like the look. I feel real show nuffish. Like, you know what I mean? Show nuff. Do you know who show nuff is? If you don't know who show nuff is, you're too young to be watching my channel. You know show nuff.
Am I the meanest?
Sure enough.
Am I the prettiest?
Sure enough.
Am I the baddest mofo low down around this town?
Sure enough.
I felt real show nuffish, and I wanted to stay looking show nuffish. Like, this is cute to me. Okay. But yeah, so as far as how I feel about this wig, and as well as a full 360, then please continue. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. I think old girl is a whole look. I think she's a vibe. I was a little worried, and I actually have had this wig for about a week now, and I was a little concerned, okay, because I didn't know what she was gonna be giving, because I love Sensational, but lately Sensational has not been coming through with the come through for your girl. So I was a little apprehensive at like how it was gonna look, if it was gonna look super wiggy or what. But I really like this wig. Like, I do. I really like it. Like, I don't have to worry about taking it off. I did do the ball cap method with this unit. Just because I felt like I needed to wear a wig cap, because, child, this little fro is getting a little out of hand up under here. So I felt like I needed to wear a wig cap. And I feel like with units like this, either you need to not wear a wig cap, or you need to do the ball cap method, one or the other. And I opted to wear it, and I feel like it brings out the parting more. Now, granted, I did still use my Sephora Micro Smooth, but even before I applied it, I feel like it already looked really nice because I did the ball cap method. That's just my opinion, honey girl. Do what you do, honey. It's your wig, but that's my opinion. But I really like the unit. I am definitely pleasantly surprised. Sensational, you are back in my good graces, honey, because, honey, man, you have been falling out, girl. Okay, I have not been happy with you. So, yeah. I like it. It's a look. It's a vibe. Let me know if you have it. Let me know if you have it in any of the special colors. I want to say the special colors may have been sold out. I don't remember when I bought it, but I want to say it may have been sold out, and that is why I didn't get it. But I would really like to know what it looks like in the special colors, because you know your girl loves some colors, honey. Especially, it's blonde season for me right now, girl. So let me know down below if you have it. Let me know down below if you're feeling this look. Do you know who Show Nuff is? Is this Show Nuffin to you? Like, let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, that is basically it, because I didn't do anything else to this wig. It was pretty much an easy slay for me. Okay, so let me know down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing off. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Once again, let me know down below what you guys think. I didn't see a whole lot of reviews on this unit. Like, let me know, am I just missing it? Like, you know, I don't actually like watch it before my review, but I usually like just kind of see if anybody, you know, that I know or anybody did a review and just kind of look at their thumbnail. I only saw one, and that was from the Wig Types YouTube channel, I think, and I may have saw one more, but I didn't see a lot of reviews on this wig. Is this just not everybody's cup of tea? Because when I saw it, I was like, ooh, she's a look, she's a vibe. Let me know down below if you have and if you own it and what you guys think. Do you like yours like I like mine? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Hell to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do?